Inside the tunnel, the temperature is carefully maintained, usually between 8 dC and 12 dC. Cool air circulates evenly around every candy bar. The cooling process must be carefully controlled. If the chocolate cools too quickly, it can develop white streaks. If it cools too slowly, it can lose its shiny appearance. Proper control ensures a glossy, professional finish. By the time the candy bars leave the cooling tunnel, the chocolate coating is fully set. The bars are now ready to move on to the wrapping and packaging section of the factory. By the end of the cooling tunnel, the chocolate has fully stabilized. The coating is now firm enough to protect the filling while maintaining its smooth texture and glossy appearance. This final stage of cooling ensures the candy bars can be handled by high-speed conveyor systems without damaging the chocolate surface. As the candy bars leave the cooling section, they are guided onto a high-speed conveyor leading to the wrapping machine. Automatic guide rails keep every bar perfectly lined and evenly spaced. This precise positioning ensures that each candy bar enters the wrapping machine one at a time, preventing jam and allowing the packaging process to run smoothly at high speed. After leaving the cooling tunnel, the candy bars move onto a high-speed conveyor that leads directly to the wrapping machine. Guide rails keep every bar perfectly aligned and evenly spaced. This precise positioning allows each candy bar to enter the packaging system one at a time without slowing production. The folded wrapper passes through heated sealing jaws that securely seal the edges. This airtight seal protects the candy bar from moisture, dust, and air, helping preserve its freshness and flavor throughout its shelf life. The fully wrapped candy bars leave the packaging machine on a conveyor belt. Every package is now clean, securely sealed, and protected. The wrapped bars continue toward the next stage, where production dates, expiration dates, batch numbers, and barcodes will be printed. After wrapping, each candy bar passes through a high-speed coating machine. Using food-safe ink or laser technology, the machine prints the production date on every package. This information helps manufacturers track when each candy bar was made and ensures complete product traceability. Next, the coating system prints the expiration or best before date. This tells retailers and customers how long the candy bar will maintain its best quality when stored under recommended conditions. A unique batch or lot number is then printed on every package. If a quality issue is ever discovered, this code allows the manufacturer to identify the exact production batch quickly and accurately. The packaging now receives a barcode that stores product identification data. Retail stores use this barcode for inventory management and fast checkout at the cash register. Packages move along the conveyor for inspection. This scanner checks each code for accuracy. A package with an unreadable code is automatically rejected. Only correctly coded candy bars continue down the line. Special sensors inspect the package seals to ensure they are completely closed. A strong, airtight seal helps protect the candy bar from moisture, contamination, and loss of freshness. Every packaged candy bar passes through a metal detector. This food safety system checks for tiny metal fragments that could accidentally enter the product during manufacturing. Any contaminated package is automatically rejected. Candy bars that pass every inspection receive final approval. At this stage, the products have met the factory's quality and food safety requirements and are ready for packaging into cartons.
Anything more? Want to do this for you wholeheartedly.
Each carton receives a printed label containing important information such as the product name, quantity, batch number, and shipping details. This helps with warehouse management and distribution. The sealed cartons arrive on the conveyor and are automatically arranged into the correct pattern. This organized layout allows the maximum number of cartons to fit safely inside each shipping case. Once each shipping case is full, the top flaps are folded closed. The cases are then sealed with strong industrial tape. Or, hot melt adhesive can be used to secure the flaps. This keeps the contents secure during transport. Each sealed shipping case receives labels containing product details, batch numbers, destination information, and tracking codes. These labels help warehouses and distributors identify every shipment quickly. Before leaving the packing area, the shipping cases pass through a final inspection. The system checks that every case is properly sealed, correctly labeled, and contains the required number of cartons. Finished pallets of candy bars are loaded onto delivery trucks. They are transported across the country to distribution centers. From there, the candy bars are shipped to supermarkets and retail stores nationwide. Okay, let's get these on the shelves.
Got it. I'll start with the top row.
Looks good. That should be everything.
Perfect.
Ready for customers. Throughout transportation, the candy bars are kept under recommended conditions to help preserve their taste, texture, and freshness until they reach consumers. In storage, controlled environments maintain quality from Bite delivers the intended flavor and texture. What began as carefully selected ingredients has now become a finished candy bar through a series of precise manufacturing processes, strict quality inspections, and advanced automation. Modern candy factories use robotics and computer controls for efficient, large-scale production. Quality control scanners inspect every candy bar, rejecting any with defects. This automation enables consistent quality and food safety at high volumes.
Real-time monitoring.
Every candy bar represents the combined efforts of food scientists, engineers, machine operators, and quality control specialists working together to create a product that meets high manufacturing standards. Mind sure every bar, it meets our standards. And that's how candy bars are manufactured, from raw ingredients to the finished product on store shelves. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes journey inside the factory, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more fascinating manufacturing stories.